This is going to be a video tutorial on how to activate dark mode on the Vivaldi web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Vivaldi web browser opened up now. To activate dark mode, it's very easy to do. The first thing you want to do is open up Settings. You want to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to where you see the little V logo. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings. The keyboard shortcut for Settings is Control plus F12. I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, there's two things you might want to change. You want to go down to where it says Appearance and click on Appearance. And then right up top here, it gives you three options: light mode. My browser is right now in light mode, dark mode, or auto. I'm going to select dark. And then I'm going to go down toward the bottom down here where it says force a dark theme on all websites. I'm going to check that box. Then the next thing I'm going to do, as you can see, my web page has become dark mode, but my interface is not in dark mode. I'm going to put my interface in dark mode also. I'm going to go back over to the pane on the left side to where it says Themes. I'm going to click on Themes. And then I'm going to select one of these in this box right here. I'm going to select this one that says Dark here. And now Vivaldi is in a dark mode. That is how to activate dark mode in the Vivaldi web browser. Thanks for watching.